This is what happened. So we're here at Classic Car Club Manhattan for the Gears and the Piers Rally Edition, and as you can see behind me, there's some pretty sweet cars. It's kind of the end of the day. I'm gonna start. You've seen this before in some of my videos. Some of their other cars here. Guys from Monticello Motor Club brought a cross cart. And my buddy's Pajero Evo. There's a sweet road Kazi Escort here. Car Club's Focus RS. It is for sale if you're interested in a Focus RS. Right there. This is a 1998 Colin McRae WRC car, R11 WRC. Won Acropolis and Tour de Corse 98, fifth in Rally New Zealand. I believe Colin was the only one to drive this car. Sweet 131, I believe owned by the same guy. Mr. Enthusiast's road going homologated 037, just running here, getting ready to leave. Sweet M3 Real 22B. Some Integrales. The Focus RS-RX. Get some of this rolling out here. And yeah, this was Steve Arpin's car. Now it's just wrapped like Ken's car. This sweet Patrick Snyers rep. Mark II Escort with a fresh mount tune in it. Kazi Escort. Real Rally Kazi Escort. Ford GT. Don't touch it. For sale at some point if you want it. You've seen this one in my shop. R5. This is his other R5. You see this at 100 Acre Wood. And then, of course, my shitbox of a Z. Probably the not nicest car in here, but it is what it is. Yeah, so that's it for today. It's a quick little walk around. Not much else to see in here. I'm sure I could go on and get in the cars and do some stuff and this and that, but I've just been drinking coffee and eating food and talking to everybody. So yeah, if you didn't come, you missed some cool cars. You should come next time. If there is a next time, I'll try to let you guys know. But yeah, this is the thing. Team O'Neill was here too, handing out stickers. They got a little display TV thing going on, and they've got like that going on over there, which is some footage they shot yesterday rolling around the city with the Mark II Escort, the Craig Breen R5, and the yellow and blue Michelin Kazi Escort over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a wrap. There's a lot less people here today, or now, I should say. There was quite a lot of people here earlier, but yeah. Classic Car Club Manhattan. Check them out. Oh, yeah. That's my favorite car here. I think that's my favorite car here. Yeah.
Now you know it runs and drives.
Yeah, now that I know it runs and drives, it's not just getting pushed around.